has voice. Now I have it. Hey, when you don't have a hoarse voice, why you gonna get a papa? I'm on the cheap, but why watch out my voice?
Hey, babe, how are you doing? And I look what.
Was a kid to edge is a key to let him out of bedroom.
It is idiot to negotiate and not Kimoto. So, like I was saying, you know, yes, you know,
all got capture interest, sharp. But meanwhile, whenever I see the tiny, you on your own. Naija has a club the other day. I'm one guy in our way. Meanwhile, this girl is there. The guy in our way, but I bet the girl no hang out, but you know, along the line, the guy enjoyed the girl. Introduction now, no Martin. And the girl, I'm fine. So what is your name? Oh, my name is Chinenye. My friends call me Priska. Oh, wonderful name. Alright, so what do you do for a living? The girl said, well, I'm a student. I was a student for 40 years. I'm a student, okay. Student. Which school? Oh, Delsi. That's good. Now, throwback time. I got you the boy. The girl are there. So what's your own name? I said, oh, my name is Obina. And they call me Obina. Oh, wonderful name. So what do you do for the living? Oh, I am a youth corper. The girl said, sorry. When you get to work, I come back. So, again, you know, meeting one other guy. This guy are there with the whole voice. Is he going on the channel town for the relief market? And welcome. Everyone. Again, the channel home with the man. Everyone I heard. I'm with you. They call me Priska. Okay. They've been a lower on them. Well, I'm a student of Delsi. Adamma. Throwback time. The girl I joined. So, what is your name? Oh. My name is Kenneth. Okay, Kenneth. So what do you do for a living? Oh, I work with Nigeria Stock Exchange. Like seriously? Yes. Nigeria Stock Exchange. The girl I feel no what I heard. Then the boy I say 2 months, 3 months. The boy really go. One day, I'm going to get out of the market on it. With your young one. Young one, who are boy, able to catch in the mother. Oh, you can say, I will get it to a work here. As a factor for Lagos, Nigeria Stock Exchange. And the boy, I will get it. Hey! Oh my God, Bennett, you don't kill me. You lie to me. You deceive me. You, oh my God, God will punish you. No, Guinea. No, Guinea. You told me you're working with Nigeria Stock Exchange and you're here selling. Calm down. Today, buy no, today, what did I know? What would I know here? Yes, I know Nigeria. Today, I never. You're selling stockfish now. When I give you stockfish in Nigeria here, you give me money on your Nigeria Stock Exchange.